Hello everyone, I'm Rob Smith with the market wrap-up this week from the In the Black VTF here at T3 Live, and it turned out to be a pretty nice day today if you stuck around and knew where to look. We had a lot of movement in the oil patch and selected stocks, so let's get to some of the charts here. Basically, it's going to close today as an inside day in the S&P. And you know, we like to watch that inside bar. In equilibrium, couldn't go to higher highs, couldn't go to lower lows. So to start off next week, we want to look for a break on either side of this day, as either the dip here and then retrace and go back to the highs, or is this a rest before more selling? If we take a look at QQQ, you see another inside day there. So what happens in here, oftentimes when you look at like today, and you'll notice how people are like, why is it chopping around like this, going up and down? Looks like it's going to go to the moon, then gets killed, then rallies back. This is what is called an equilibrium build, and that's how the inside day is built. You'll also notice it was broadening formation like this here. But this is what occurs when you have an inside day, because no one has taken the power. The bulls weren't strong enough to take out yesterday's highs. Bears not strong enough to take out yesterday's lows. So it just goes back and forth. And then starting off next week, somebody's going to have to take that equilibrium. So we'll watch that for sure. Usually we start off with weeks too. For next week, I know a lot of people have asked me about this today. Some of the solars. FSLR is an inside week. So is CSIQ. And so is SCTY. So we're going to keep an eye on that stuff. But as far as today's trading and wrapping it up, boy, there was some good stuff. If you look at the XLE, energy is just ripping, going out on the highs of the week, and you know, Iraqi issues or whatever it may be. But you can see the XLE going out on the highs. So you had a lot of strength in your Chevrons and your Exxons and your CLRs and your Conchos and all that kind of stuff going up there. So that was nice. But we had two particular plays I want to talk about. IDCC. As soon as this news came out, it was absolutely fantastic. They smashed this thing. We were able to get in on an inside one, which you're not going to see on this chart, but when it goes down here, we look for an inside one and then drop. And so it's the one. Let's see if we can get a oneer for you. Why not? This was really something. If we go back in time on the 1 minute chart, we've got to take it back. You can see here, even on this, it was active enough to trade off the inside one here to catch the low, equilibrium here, momentum here. But if we go back, I want to show you the initial one that really made the day. Was right here. Initial drop, inside one. So this is either an exhaustion of the selling, and it goes back up, or a rest before more, and indeed it was. Nice smashing $2-3 in the next couple of minutes. But the real winner today was KPTI. And we were on this one a little late, but it didn't seem to matter, because if you look at the 30-minute bars here, you can see how it went inside 30 here. We didn't find it by then. We didn't get this one, but we got this one. We finally saw this, but you can see how that up, rest, and this was up $8 in a half an hour off of that. That was a real trade of the week, if not longer than that. So just to finish off the week, like I said, it's going to be inside days. We're going to watch that, how these break on Monday morning, and for you know, more information why that's important, I've got an upcoming webinar on Wednesday afternoon right here at T3 that you can register for on the site. I also presently have an article up there. You can read part of that breaking down what I'm going to talk about, the three aspects of the truths of the trading that we use to trade every single day. So I hope to see you next Wednesday. I hope everybody has a great weekend, especially all the fathers out there. Happy Father's Day. We're going to watch that inside day and hopefully see you at the webinar next Wednesday. I'm Rob Smith for Smith the Black here at T3 Live. Have a great weekend.